this morning at the Hilton for our annual Learn, Grow, Excel conference. This is one of the highlights of our business support platform. It's where we bring together everything that we do and really kind of build companies up, give them the capacity to go and give them a bit of inspiration with the company stories, and also give them access to experts about markets, about how to run your business, about your talent, everything going on this morning. So it's a jam-packed agenda.
The message today is about the whole programme of Learn, Grow, Excel and how particularly that pertains and relates to exporting and helping people to really understand the big leap of faith, the ambition, but also the rewards that brings by exporting and developing your business through that particular medium. Ulster Carpet exports 80% of its product today, which allows us to employ 350 people in Portadown and provide many other opportunities for suppliers to ourselves. So this conference, again, if it's helping exporting, helping people to learn more, helping people to be a bit more confident, then we're delighted to be involved in sponsoring today's event.
Power and I are the SME partner for the Learn, Grow, Excel initiative, and we've been in right from the very beginning to help provide support to what we believe is a fantastic initiative to help local SME businesses start their export journey and explore new markets in different parts of the world. Conferences and events like this are very important. It'll be an opportunity to make connections, important business connections, have those important business conversations, and also to take inspiration from others who have made the journey before you and learn from their experiences and their successes.
Initially, when I went into business, the only market I saw for our products was in the aid relief sector. But now we service all kinds of places in the world. There's very few countries in the world that we haven't sold to. We would sell to the oil industry, we would sell to the chemical, the pharmaceutical industry, we sell to agriculture, we sell to fire services around the world, we sell to civil defence forces. So we're geographically and market-wise a great spread, but great experiences in all those markets. For a networking point of view, and I'm sort of at a senior age now, so it's good that I share some of my experience to the younger entrepreneurs coming through, and hopefully they won't make the mistakes that I made.
I think if you're a startup, obviously you're looking for as much learnings and experience as possible, because everybody else has been through the experience that you're going through at a point in time. So it's really, really important to listen and learn from those experiences, but also decide yourself, because I mean, you're a startup, you don't have the legacy of 100 years history. So actually you have an awful lot of freedom to make your own decisions. So listen to the experiences that you hear today, but also make your own decisions as well, because you're not weighed down by 100 years of history.
Yeah, I think given Kerry's size, I think change is an inevitability in all of the markets in which we operate, and from a Brexit point of view, obviously that's very significant. We've got a number of different manufacturing facilities across Europe, in addition to what we have globally. What we see is that there's a very significant amount of opportunity within that as well, in terms of working with our customers and working with our existing manufacturing footprint and seeing how we can optimise what we do in terms of mitigating any of the potential impacts of Brexit. Obviously at the moment we're still working through how that's going to look ultimately, but we've got a big team in the Kerry Group that's working through it. But equally it's really important to hear what are other companies doing and what are other businesses looking at, and how can we learn from that as well.
There's massive opportunity. It's exciting to see people operating in this market, but their ability to really grab hold of data and make it valuable information is becoming more and more challenging, given all the digital disruption and the new wave of things that they need to deal with. And it's been interesting to share that idea and test what are the best ways of managing your finance and other data.
How do I rate and value those networking opportunities? Well, I guess it's about follow-up. A networking opportunity is only as good as your follow-up and your effort in terms of closing the circle after having met somebody, understanding what the potential synergies might be between the two businesses, and making the next move. Because it's all very well having a business card in your deck or adding something on LinkedIn, but if you don't do anything beyond that, then it's largely invaluable to you. So today we had a very good broad range of expertise from different parts of the industry, different parts of Northern Ireland PLC, and I think that broad depth of experience has been very, very beneficial.
exporting is a passion of mine. The exporting from Northern Ireland is something that I would encourage every company to look into. In terms of the ability of Northern Irish businesses to share the information that they have as companies and to go around the world supporting companies and countries to develop innovation, to develop their science, to improve their efficiencies is something that we as a business at Devonish and within the room today in the Learn, Grow, Excel conference, it's a perfect way to build confidence in companies looking to export.
Very, very important because it enlightens and heightens all the problems and the issues, and also gives encouragement to businesses to go and trade internationally. But here we explain how to do it properly and how to make sure that your goods arrive safely without getting damaged or getting stuck in customs at all.
Conferences like this create the profile for exporting, which in Northern Ireland we don't do enough of as a nation. So having inspirational speakers that we've had this morning to stand and share their stories about how they got into different markets around the world is truly valuable for other companies considering exporting.
I'm delighted to be here today. It's essential for us to interact with our customers and our potential customers. And really, what I'm here today is really to raise the awareness of the importance of the risk management insurance process in exporting either to GB and Republic of Ireland or internationally.